Back again. My mom must hit one of those orange cones under the car. We're back at doing fireworks today again. Back this is for YouTube. I think it's gonna rain soon. That's not gonna be good. Yeah, doing fireworks today. Little fireworks.
Artillery smoke, these smoke bombs.
Mammoth smoke, the white right there.
Tanks. Yeah.
Six pack?
And then just regular.
One of these? Okay. These are going to be the Mega Boom. These don't, I think these go a little bit higher than this one, but this one still goes pretty high and it makes a loud boom. This one's bigger.
Okay. Give me
The
two
Mega.
of those. Give me one of those and
You know, I guess with water, there's no water this time. There's no water this time. Rain and water. Man.
I believe this one. Here's your daytime. And here's your double parachute.
What's she doing?
just give me 4 of those.
What's she doing?
Car full left over from last year.
I will.
That's it.
Okay. Hey, Ron,
Very
can I
instant.
have your card real quick, ma'am? Can I have your card real quick?
I should go off. Huh. Go wood. Bugs. Yeah, what are those things? Folks. Ooh, we got a nice car on that. 6 bucks. Let's see what's that. $10 a box?
Is it rough?
Let's get close to
This thing, what calories in it?
it. This works at every gas speed.
Right. This is past sunset. Okay.
No, no problem.
Do you want a text receipt or an email? Hello.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. I'm trying to get some fireworks today.
Okay.
I'm trying to buy some fireworks.
Alrighty. What can I get for you?
Look at those tanks right there.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay. How many did you want?
How much is 2 boxes?
Got it all? 2 boxes. Have a great night. The whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing. Yeah.
$10 for a whole box. And there is
How much for 2 boxes?
20.
20. All right. I'm still looking here. As the night works.
What's that?
See these night works?
Yeah, those right there. They spin around on the ground, shoot up in the air, and explode.
I like the cars over there. It's nice. Do you have any smoke bombs?
Yep. Down here. These small ones right there.
Ooh, is them during the day? The rockets right there. Is that,
Those can be day or night. They just shoot up in the air and explode.
they doing colors or anything? Is that
Not really. I mean, you could do them at night, but there's not much of a color.
they shoot in the air, eh? Seems interesting. That's nice. Where's the black cats? Black cats.
Black cats, they're gonna be on this next one over here.
Over there?
Uh-huh.
All right. Sorry. Yes. Ooh, I had one of those. I had one of those a few years back. There's that sword down there. Sword one.
Oh, yeah?
Sword, yeah. So what's those swords do?
It's a sparkler.
It is.
Very large sparkler.
Very large sparkler.
Take a photo. And then I just want some
Cool. Ooh, I like the torpedoes.
The adult snaps, those are cool.
Yeah. All right. I want a box of those tanks over there.
1 box?
Yeah.
Okay.
And some of those torpedoes.
Alrighty.
And some more. Yeah, I want some of these over here. These, oh, the guy, yeah, there they are. Here there. Take the box. Bye. Take the whole box. Yeah. Anyways. Let's see.
How many torpedoes did you want?
What? How much is those torpedoes?
They are $2 a box.
How much for $2? Two of them.
$4.
Okay. I like 2 of those boxes.
Okay.
Take those. Okay. I got these. I like to have these over here. These the Mega Salute, and I got the M150s. How much are those?
The Mega Salute is $2, and the M150s are, where is this? See that? $2.
Yeah, I like to have I like to have Mega Salute M60s and M150s.
One a piece?
Yeah.
Okay.
That yellow one right there.
Okay. And then the 150?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I got a whole bunch of black cats at the house. How much is that already? How much did I get altogether already?
22 so far.
What was the smoke bombs?
Smoke bombs are in that first one.
Yeah, but they're big ones.
We did.
Just slide them and. Like that? Yep. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, they're like.
There's $3 a pack.
I think we ran out of the big ones.
You did.
I believe so.
You like the strobe lights?
What's this?
They're like as bright as an arc oil. They go bright, super bright.
Oh, are they pop?
No, they said they're producing really bright light.
Okay.
No,
They don't do nothing but sit.
So the big ones are all gone.
Yep.
Drat. I guess I'll take some small.
Okay.
Some
How many tags did you want?
What's those right there?
Those
Okay,
are
just 2 of those.
I was just wondering.
these right here.
Yeah, what is that?
These are smoke bombs too.
Here?
Uh-huh.
6. There's
How much are them?
Smoke tubes.
they get really hot.
What are Googles?
Google's a little spinners.
$2.
I'll take some of those. Yeah.
No, these go.
Yeah.
Okay.
And let's see. I'll take some of those. I'm thinking.
Oh, let's try. Not many.
I'm looking around some more. I definitely want that. Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna smell. That smoke over that thing right there. The smoke right there.
This one?
Yeah.
Right, this is a-
Past. Maybe smoke. Yeah.
That one is those. Okay. It's like a smoke bomb.
How much is this thing?
That one is $6.
Yeah, I'll take some of those.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry.
How much is it together and all that? Is
You're at 30.
30. Holy crap. 30.
Yeah, I just.
Can I take the other smoke bombs out? Take the other one smoke bombs out.
If you do,
These out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, how much is it now?
like not
28.
Yeah, they
Alright.
can go in the dryer just like air flush.
Alright.
Yeah, okay. Fine.
Yeah, that work. I just need a night work. One night work.
What, you want a big one? Or,
Guess so. I mean, what's the night work at?
well, do you
what
want
are
like
these?
fountains or do you want like a big
Yeah.
big cake?
Yeah, what are
Yeah.
those?
Those are going to be on that middle one and then
Right there?
over. Yeah.
There? Oh,
I'll follow you over there.
that'd be nice. Yeah. What? Beep. Good old fireworks.
Alright. These are all nighttime. These are all your fountains.
Yeah, I'm looking for night work. One night work.
Okay. And we'll go down this way.
Right?
Do you want like a small one or do you want like a big one?
Let's see. Where's the?
The bigger ones are here and then this next one. And then we've got some small cakes in that last one. And then we have artillery shells over there too.
Guess I'll get a small one.
Small one?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go to
Most of that stuff over there we have. Some of these.
It's a lot of power networks. There's a lot of night works, isn't it? Not light works. A lot of night works.
Okay. You're gonna be all your small cakes over here. The smaller ones up top.
What's the cheap one? What's the cheap one?
Cheap ones?
Yeah, cheap one.
Those are $4. These are $5. This one's really cool. That one's really loud.
It is?
Yes. That one's one of my favorite ones. The Color Me Impressed, that one's pretty good. That one's colorful. That one is 10. So probably the cheapest one over here is going to be this one, which is $4.
4-door, 9 shots. What's it like? What's it like?
That one, I don't know what that one. Crystal, do you remember what this one is? The fedora? I know it's loud, but I don't remember exactly what it is.
I just remember it was really awesome to be for 9 shots, as tiny as it is.
Yeah.
I don't remember exactly what it did, but it's got 9 really loud shots that go up in it. So.
Yeah, we got pretty lights, right? Pretty
Yeah,
lights.
especially for $4.
Yeah. I just know it's really loud.
I guess give it a try. Yeah, I'll give it a try.
Try one of those?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, give it a try.
You did?
How much is that? Yeah.
$32.
We hold that video.
I don't know.
Give me a shot with it.
You need some punks?
Yeah. Where's do you have any lighter?
We do not have lighters. Hi, babe. You got some ice? You got some ice?
Yeah. Just tell you how much is this? 10, 20.
20
Okay, 10, 20.
or 30.
32.
Okay, go out there.
Awesome.
Now you got that left over Walmart.
How about some? How can I that?
Alright. Now that should be plenty.
There you go.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks for the punch.
Thank you.
Yeah,
You're
thank
welcome.
Thank
Have
you.
a great night.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Well, thanks for
Let's
the
go,
punch.
son. Yeah. Okay. Hang on, Lord. You got 1 hour, do you want?
Hold on, I gotta do some more video and stuff.
Get this. I don't know how to do it.
I do. Oh, you hold the bag. Yeah, and I gotta find me some lighters.
Where you gonna get them at? I'm going home.
Walmart. Put it in the car.
How are you?
Good. We just got to walk through.
All
What
right.
all you got?
All good stuff here. Thanks for the fireworks. Appreciate it.
Not a problem.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks. Oh, sorry. I looked around.
Do you need a picture for something?
What? I'm doing a YouTube video.
Okay.
We're out of that one little pack this size,
Right.
but I found the smaller one.
Oh, okay.
So I got that.
Yep, you too. Yeah, well, yeah. Boxes, huge boxes. Yeah, I would have that at my house. That'd be nice. They want to get rich, I'll buy the whole box. Yeah. Oops. Look at those darn letters.
Yes, okay. Let me get you some.
I remember that cone over there. She ran that cone. Yeah. Yep, this is 4th of July stuff. Good old stuff. Rhino, yeah. See you guys next year. Yeah. Bye. See you later, folks.